Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview rugged steel 18-foot by 52-inch metal wall pool. This easy-to-install pool will give you and your family many years of outdoor pool fun. Made of high-quality treated steel, this pool will outlast plastic or vinyl pools. This pool is easy to clean and maintain with a fully functional skimmer. The rugged steel pool comes standard with a quality, easy-to-use sand filter system and high-performance pump, steel wall pool, skimmer and return, blue overlap liner, and an A-frame ladder. Product benefits: easy to install pool, easy to clean and maintain, easy to use 12-inch sand filter system with 1-2 horsepower pump. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.